So what are you doing here, Mike?
I'm pulling out the transmission.
Why you pulling out the transmission, Mike?
They got a big oil leak.
Where you got a big oil leak, Mike?
Somewhere here. Yeah, it's no bueno.
No bueno. Wear on the fingers.
Yeah, there's actually like over.
Yeah, weird, eh?
Yeah, they put a new throat bearing in.
Yeah.
So that alleviates some of that shenanigans.
Oh, you put just anyone in right now?
Oh no! When I rebuilt the engine last year. So it has like a couple thousand K on it.
Okay.
If that. I actually don't know how much I even drove last year.
Not much.
Yeah. Yeah, I was down for a while for the whole O2 sensor shenanigans.
Yeah. Oh, not a chance.
I'm a god. How can you kill a god? Ah, not late. It's so bright. Hold me tight.
Get in here.
No.
Just look through the camera. Look through the fucking camera.